This video is for Christians. This video is for saints. This video is for the ones who'll run and know they won't grow faint. This video is for torchbearers, for our everyday leaders, earth-scattered, armor-wearing, 6 a.m. Bible readers, the hopeful, the faithful, the encouragers and risk-takers, the prophets, intercessors, worshippers and creators, the adventurous and the audacious, the radical and the rainless, the teachable but untamable, the fearless who fear God, the inspired and fired up who don't wrestle with religion and get all tied up. I know this messes with your vibe, but don't walk around with your eyes shut. This one's for those that know there's something so much sweeter, a relationship, a way of going so much deeper. This one's for those that call him friend, those who love him and those who trust, those who want more, those who want him right at their core, those who are sure, those that don't mind being face down on the floor, those who want to see an outpour. This one is for the martyrs. This one's for the fire starters, for those that don't mind being a little bit unpopular. You know you're called to be a thermostat and not just a thermometer. For the free, the precious, the royals, the brave, the set apart, the chosen, the dead now raised, the passionate and compassionate, the missionaries and revolutionaries, the spiritual fathers and mothers, the much needed sisters and brothers. This one's for the parents, the mums who keep giving and pray, training them up, foster care and adopt, those who do the school runs day after day. This one's not for Sundays, this one's for Mondays, this one's for the weekday workers, the 9 till 5ers, the balancers, time planners and sacrificers, the ones that when called on, they're not think twice as they shout it, they're ready to grow, they're ready to step up, be challenged, let their friends know they're about it. They chose this path, they aren't afraid to say what they believe. John 3:16 and more, all this and more. This is it, the call-up, battle ready for a spiritual war. The patient, the kind, the truthful, the humble listener, those that hug, those that care, those that love. This video is for those who are doing church the way it really should be. Loving one another, with Jesus as the centerpiece. The Christians who want to be Christ-like, who wherever they go, they want to shine bright. This one's for the church. This one's for you.